In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove video background on Wondershare Filmora 15. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. First, I open Filmora on my MacBook. I need to import a video which one I want to remove background. For example, I open this project, okay, drag and drop. I want to remove this my video background. First, select this video, then going on video to AI meeting, then click AI portrait cut out. You can see it's already processing, so I'm waiting only few seconds. After few seconds, it automatically remove the background and you will find fantastic black background. So I'm waiting. Wow, after click on AI portrait cutout, you can see it's look like in today's video, I'm going to show you how to take film or thanks for watching. See you again.